here on our national adventure, and this week we're in Dahlonega, Georgia, visiting the Red Oak Lavender Farm. This is one of the largest lavender fields in Georgia. There's about 6 or 7 lavender farms throughout Georgia, but this is the largest. They have quite a bit in their French cottage shop, and they've got lavender from the fields and create about 100 different lavender products. So kind of neat to kind of stroll and see. The farm is open from Wednesday through Friday, 11 to 3, and then Saturday, 10 to 4, and Sunday, 1 to 4. There's actually no admission or ticket for parking, and the only thing that you're paying for is what you're buying. So if you're looking for a retail item, you can have fun strolling, or you can grab some lavender, purchase lavender to cut, and you can actually cut lavender on the farm.
Okay, so we can pick 50 stems.
This is a small working farm. Lavender has a very distinct aroma and it's very relaxing. And as you walk through the field, you'll notice there's about 4,000 different plants here and 19 different varieties. They've got the plants for sale in their shop. And what's great is that when you arrive, you can actually get a pair of scissors and cut your own lavender to take home with you. Or you can buy a plant or two to take home and plant as well. This is a great place to come with a family. They've got chickens for you to just check out if you want to watch them, or you can feed them as well. They've also got sunflowers, a huge field of sunflowers just beside the lavender. So you can walk through the lavender fields and breathe in the enormous amount of relaxing lavender scents and aroma, or you can take in the beauty of your surroundings. Either way, you don't have to go far. You can actually just travel in Georgia to visit a lavender farm, and we think that's pretty special. If you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and join the adventures. We will see you on the next video.